Hello friends, let us now learn some important points about the international health. In the international health, first we will have to learn about the World Health Organization, that is organization WHO. World Health Organization is a specialized non-political health agency of United Nations. It is specialized non-political health agency of United Nations. Constitution of WHO. There is a constitution for WHO which outlines all the important functions and everything of WHO. It is drafted by Technical Preparatory Committee in 1946. And this constitution has came into force on 7th April 1948. The objective of World Health Organization is that all the people in the world should get the best health level. So everyone, the attainment by people of highest level of health is the objective of WHO. The first constitutional function of WHO is to act as the directing or coordinating authority on all international health work. In all the international health related work, this should act as an authority. The headquarters of WHO is located in Geneva, Switzerland. Structure of WHO, that is who are present in WHO. WHO has a World Health Assembly. World Health Assembly is a health parliament and it is a supreme governing body of organization. It is a health parliament and it is supreme governing body of organization. It has the highest authority in the whole world related to health. It has an executive board who maintains all the functions and all the work, secretariat, and it also has a secretariat who is a chief technical and administrative unit of WHO. Now, WHO has regional organizations in different parts of the world. So WHO has mainly 6 regional organizations. Knowing the regional organizations with its headquarters is important. In Southeast Asia, the first regional organization in Southeast Asia, headquarter being New Delhi, India. In Africa, headquarter is Brazzaville, Congo. America, headquarter is Washington DC, United States of America. Europe, the headquarter is Copenhagen, Denmark. Eastern Mediterranean, the headquarter is in Alexandria. Eastern Mediterranean headquarter is in Alexandria, that is in Egypt. Western Pacific headquarter is in Manila, Philippines. So these are the 6 regional organizations with their headquarters. Now, health agencies headquarters are also present. WHO has also has some health agencies which are under WHO. So WHO headquarter is in Geneva, Switzerland. UNICEF headquarter is New York, USA. UNDP, that is United Nations Development Program, headquarters is New York, United States of America. Food Agricultural Organization headquarter is in Rome, Italy. International Labour Organization headquarter is in Geneva, Switzerland. Then in the UNICEF, that is United Nations International Children Education Funds, in that we have Gobi FFF campaign has been taken place. So Gobi is 4 strategies for child health. It includes 4 strategies for child health. G for growth charts to maintain child development. O for ORS solution to treat mild to moderate dehydration. B for breastfeeding. I for immunization against diseases like tuberculosis, polio, DPT, that is diphtheria, pertussis and tetanus, and measles. 3 F's have added, which is Gobi triple F campaign, which is F is for female education, 1 F for female education, 1 for family planning, F for family planning, and food supplementation. Female education, family planning, and food supplementation include the triple F, that is Gobi FFF campaign. So this is about the United Nations. Thank you for watching my lecture.